Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl iLife here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my baby hair. Now, I know I had a previous baby hair video that I did a little while ago, and you know, I just want to apologize. I really just want to apologize for that video. You know, that is not a what's the word? That is not a good representation of who I am today as a person, and that video should have never been put out into this world. So, you know, I really just want to come to you face to face, or at least camera to face, and tell you that I apologize for that video. If you haven't seen it, if you don't know what I'm talking about, good. You don't need to go see it. If you have seen it, like I said, I deeply apologize. Anyways, y'all, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how I do my baby hairs right here, so you can get these poppin' ass, slaying baby hairs occur. Everybody does their baby hairs different. Everybody likes them done differently. Everybody has a different amount of baby hairs, so you might, you know, it's going to be harder, it's going to be easier for certain people, but I'm just going to be showing you at least how I do mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's hop right into it. So just a little heads up disclaimer type of thing. I'm filming 2 videos in one night. So I'm going to be wearing the same shirt. I'm going to be looking pretty much the same in both of these videos. I'm honestly just too lazy to change my shirt. Whatever. Content. Y'all want content. Y'all gonna get some content. So I thought I would just let y'all know what's going on. So there are lots of different ways to do your baby hairs. Everybody does them different. So I'm going to show you guys how I do mine, and, you know, just like what I think is cute, at least on myself. So the only 2 products you're going to need is some edge control. I use this Eco Gel and a toothbrush and some water. Alright, so my first step is I always wet my toothbrush. I get my toothbrush wet, and then I take what baby hairs I have out, and I kind of just brush them down just to see what I'll be working with. You don't really need your baby hairs to be super wet, because then sometimes the gel like has a hard time drying. It takes longer to dry and it just doesn't stick as well. But once I have my baby hairs laid down, I'll just take my Eco Gel and my toothbrush, and I'll dip a little bit into my gel. Not too much, because you can always go back and add more. And then what I'll do with that is I will just start like combing it through my baby hairs and really making sure that they're nice and, you know, coated with this gel. Alright, so from here I usually use 2 hands, so this is going to be difficult, but let's see if I can do it with 1. So I don't really know how to explain it, but I'll just like, I'll brush them out until the edge, and then I'll kind of just like swoop it over like that. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so that's what I'll usually do for like my first little swoop, right? And then my second one, I'll split off a little section and make sure that has a nice amount of gel on it. So what I'll do with this extra little piece of hair right here is I'll take it and I'll start forming it into like a little curl, like a little loop-de-loop circle type thing. So, you know, I'll take it till I get a little sun like that, okay? And then if I don't end up liking it, I'll just go back and fix it. But then for the rest, might need some more gel. And I'm just going to go in and do the same little swoop technique that I did with this first section up here. I wonder if I can somehow set this mirror so it'll stay. Oh shit, we might have found some. Okay, I'm gonna be leaning in a weird position because my mirror is set up really oddly. So, you know, don't mind that. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. The same exact way. Okay, once you're looking crazy, again, we're gonna go through with the same steps. If you have too much gel, you can just wipe it back off in the container. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. Baby hairs take finessing. Baby hairs take extreme finesse. So if you don't have finesse, this is not going to be easy for you, okay, boo? That's that. I'm gonna go back and redo this one because it's looking a little strange, but we're gonna finish the rest of this side. Not each side has to look exactly symmetrical. I mean, if you want that, then you can try to achieve that. I just don't have the time nor patience for that. So with me, you're going to get what you get. And if you don't like it, oh well. If you do, you know, great. Much appreciated. I have a lot of extra hair on this side, like towards the bottom compared to this side. So, you know, you just work with what you got. Alright, now we're gonna go back and fix this one. Okay, that's literally already looking better. See, sometimes you just gotta take a step back. You know, you want your edges to last all night, so you want to make sure you got enough gel on them so they really gonna stay. We don't want them like literally popping up off of your face. Like, no honey, that's not cute, right? No, it's not. Alright y'all, so that is how I do my baby hairs 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would really appreciate it. Also, you can go ahead and follow my Instagram at Aja Isla, which will be linked down below. So make sure y'all go ahead and follow that too. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!